I saw something trending that Wode Maya has lost his account. His account has been hacked, and so blah blah blah. But the thing is, the account is not hacked. The account is not hacked. He's lying. He's lying. The account is not hacked. Let me show you the reason why I said it's lying. Yeah. So let's go to YouTube and let me show you something. Do you know something? In Ghana, a lot of people don't know much about sex. So Charlie Obi ultimately the Nigerian head up. But like Wode Maya knows that his account is not hacked. He knows it. Yeah. So MicroStrategy is like it's a Bitcoin and Litecoin agency, like it's a big company. And today, let me say this week they are hosting a big like live seminar. So if you want them to stream from your Facebook account, they will pay you off. Then they will hide all your videos and they will do their live streams on your channel. So when the 1 week reach, then you get your account back. So Wode Maya just sold his account to them for just a week for them to do. Yeah.
Now still about our brother Wode Maya, and I still make me sit down for here today. May I still talk? Because yesterday, yes, I see then I quickly drop one video. Then just one video. I want to sit down. May I talk about this? Our brother Wode Maya. China, when many of us they say they hack, and some people see they come out, they say they don't hack. Say our brother Wode Maya bring and come outside. That is he rent her out. You know, where me for they confused because the one I just watch finish now, it can't really make me they almost believe him because me person I chat Wode Maya for Instagram he never reply. If no be say Wode Maya really rent China out, I believe go don't come outside. You know, he not say he gets a huge audience and he gets huge fans when they follow her and when they like her and when they love her. You know, you're not supposed to come outside for Instagram, give statement. Because yesterday I followed this his channel, reached almost 2 o'clock in the night. Before I see said that the channel just removed from Miss Studio. You know, if you click on Miss Studio, you'll see Wode Maya channel. Before when I click Miss Studio on, Wode Maya channel not there again. And I watched her for one of my sister when he said Miss Judy. There I considered a little bit confused. Miss Judy, whether I say sad or the devil is a liar, you know, something like that. You know, the thing can't just take one kind. Person not really understand because you get one of our brother. Now still Ghanaian too. He said something like this happened for South Africa. Said that they rent China out to all those Bitcoin so that may they advertise their said all those videos when we they talk about said they go hide on. He said they go hide her and then for 1 week, after 1 week, he said they go give her out. Okay, if not because they rent her out, Wode Maya know say if he come out to talk to us, say nothing they happen to each other, maybe YouTube no, maybe go be problem to run. First up, what I want just tell my people, all the Wode Maya fans, let's wait for the 1 week, 2 weeks. By the special grace of God, I know nothing will happen to his channel. Everything will be okay. Now, what I want just tell my beautiful people, everything will be okay. As I don't watch a lot of videos. I just say, since yesterday, I don't they watch any video. I just they watch about everybody when they talk about Wode Maya, anybody when they talk about Wode Maya, because we don't know it all. We learn from each other and we take information from each other, you know, because Wode Maya is a big YouTuber. If they travel, if they do travel, if they do a lot of things. We don't just wake up, say Wode Maya, I can't. Watch her, you know, we don't know what's YouTube. Anything can happen. Let me put it like that. But it will never happen by the special grace of God. Because those who they try to touch life, watch Wode Maya China, you will see a lot of people when give testimony how Wode Maya made them go back to Africa. If not only that testimony alone, if not only how it said they encourage the Africa diaspora to come back home to establish Africa is not the way they paint Africa. He go any Africa country to make sure say he view the Africa country to tell we that we when we did this abroad. Then we see say no be so Africa be. See the beautiful of Africa. Wetin be Africa owner who get money, now they stay the better place. And who not get money, not they stay the better place. But as far as that's why they try to encourage us, try to give us hope, try to, you know, even go Congo that day, Abito go that day, about Benin Republic, he discussed with the ex-president. The new president did not come out, he disappoint and I put it like that. I be not come for me. You know, travel all the way from Africa to meet the president for Europe. You know, if they really they try, they really they put out work at the end. No, waiting people just they talk say he rent his China out. Yes, I believe that because YouTube now just open eye at 1,000,000 plus. If people can hack 1,000,000 plus, that is we won't even get 1,500, 1,500, 2,500, 3,000. That is we are not safe. Yes, I can put it like that. But as this guy re-explain now, if you don't know the guy, I can measure the guy name. If or write the guy name. If you want to really understand that, follow this guy and watch how he take explain am. Her explanation make my mind calm down. Say wetin he really talk, say na true. My people, make we still dey pray for our brother Wode too. Make the China say if he really rent am out, make the China come back to am with pics. You know, some things they went hey, maybe we don't know, because I was shocked yesterday. All throughout yesterday, I would click Wode and those people go come outside. Then they talk. I will click Wode and those people go come outside. They talk. My first video, I even talk yesterday. I don't even know what to talk. I don't even know what I even talk. It's like what I say, Pexi, they shock. I was what I don't even know what I don't even when I rewatch that video after I don't upload that. When I rewatch, I say, nah, tension not good though, you know. I pray may the Almighty God not let anything happen to his channel, because he suffer for it. If na real true say he rent her as a the rent store, say make they make use of her, you go make they make use of her, and then they pay her. Kudos. But if na hacking, that hand, I don't know what I go talk. May Almighty God reverse that hand when you take hacker. May you take her, replace her back to the owner, because I don't want to talk anything when go. But I don't believe 100% now say they not hack each channel. Because of this guy, as he take explainer, as he take say it happen for South Africa, something like this, say they know they hack the channel, they rent her out to Bitcoin. I believe like that. Let's wait. May the Almighty God guide this China, protect the China, protect our own China too. Yes, my people. Now this one I get to talk. Waiting our brother. Maybe now make it not come outside. Maybe we just put on like that, because his wife China they there, Miss Judy China they there, if you want to reach out to us. His Instagram they there, his Facebook they there. Then he not come out. If now really true, as we they claim, you know, or as we they fight, or they claim say they don't hack each channel, if I don't come outside, address the other, say me una not word, if me una not form victim, oh, me una not form no, they don't hack my channel. If I don't come outside, but some people say maybe they shame, say they go laugh. Who they not laugh, they cry. It's better they laugh you than they cry you. Not be me. It's better they laugh ooh, than they cry. Who laugh person when person they in problem? Then when your own come outside, you know who go laugh you. You know who go throw away speed for you. Yes, I think with Maya happy. Yes, I don't know with Maya for anywhere. Now YouTube I for know him, but I was anxious to make a video. The video no, I don't even compose myself. I tried to chat her up for Instagram, though he never replied the Instagram. You know, now because of how I taste the see and say they touch life, if they assist people, now make me do that thing. If you come there and say they love man like you or woman like you or human be like you because they hack each channel, or because if they see say if they go down and you are happy and you they rejoice, when your own come, nobody go over rejoice. When your own come, nobody go over throw away spit. Now so me see God go do everything for everybody. May we stop the heaviness, the jealous. May we stop the waiting they go talk. Let them say now people, now somebody name. Let them say, okay? My people, now this one I break to tell now, okay? Please, if you be Nigeria, if you stay Nigeria, you don't get your PVC, please, tomorrow na election. Please vote wise. I beg. I know if you sit down for here, say, now this one you want vote for. Vote for who you want vote for. Let peace reign. No go there, go they fight. Those papas, when they there, when they say, una vote for them, when they become una president, their children, I don't believe say many of their children now that they are around. And if they are around, a soldier and police, they go escort them, go where they want for go vote. If you be youth, you come across this my video, I beg, no do gra. If now Obi you want vote for, go straight to Obi. Now what I draw my brother here. If one want vote for, anyone who know say no want vote for, may una not make noise. May una not fight. Those people that they fight for, their children, they live well. Many of them are be Okada rider. Many of them are in fact, now they tear wood. Una go still even vote them put for there now. What did they promise? They know one. The Atiku, Abi, the Tinubu, all of them, all the Obi. What will they pray for? For me, I know they for tribal Lizzie, this one and this one and this. Waiting me, Naija Daughter and Esther family, they pray for. May God give us good leader. If a person win, can't become a president. What of the senator? Now, waiting many of us now they ask ourselves. What of that person when we they say may win? What of he can't win? A lot of things they grant. Nigeria no just pick now. You go over bad now the person when we they say may win, he go win. Nigeria go worst more. May God not let our country worst pass like this. Waiting my own opinion and my own advice. If you be youth, go and get your PVC. If you be mother, go get your PVC. If you be father, go get your PVC. Vote accordingly to your mind. Vote accordingly with your mind. Don't vote tribalism. This one, no. Me, I know they like her. Vote as God leads you, okay? And as it dey your mind. No sell your vote. No sell your vote. Vote wisely. No, whether if you know who me said, I'll let this one. What we need to know if this one not work. If the person wanna vote now, may God let it work. If it not still work, when I'm not tired, till now you that na PVC, to vote them out. And I see one of my East brother, I say, may East not come and come vote. If you can't encourage East, may they not come out, may they not come vote. Who will come vote for our brother, the Peter Obi, when we say they want vote for? I not say they want vote, may anybody not come for me, may not vote wise. If you can't say, may they not come outside, come vote, who go come vote? Who? May we collect sense, so may we shine our eye, may we not go vote. No threaten people children, may we not kpai people children. Those kpai every day, e no good oh, e no good. E no good. Now they kill una self, they kill papa when they go farm, mama when they sell for market, una they kill am. Okay, people want vote tomorrow, and I say make people not come outside. Thank God say the dog pocket you. I pray make the one when they back home, make they not hide, they use am. Take the money, take they do people because they are oga top when they abroad. When the suffer don't they hammer, he don't talk. I pray make una come outside. May we stop the killing. May we stop the fight. May we stop the abuse. May we vote. We are one. May we vote. May we carry your PVC, go and vote. Stop killing. Vote as a like the way abroad people they vote. Once you finish your vote, go your house. May una not cause quarrel. May una not fight. So those babas, those our baba, May una not fight for them. Once the vote finish tomorrow, now they'll fair go vote, put their paper for their poly booth. Now, in fact, now fly they'll take remover for there. You go sit down for a parlor, they wash you now. No go kill yourself because of that babas. I beg my youth, let peace reign in our land, Nigeria, my country. We love our country, Nigeria. Let peace reign. Vote wisely. Don't sell your vote. Don't sell your vote. Vote wisely. Thank you. Now this one I get to talk, my beautiful people. I will see you now in my next video. If you like this my video, please subscribe. That boy, the name I will put on when you talk about with my I'll short of a video inside. If I not put on, I will put in name so that I'll go watch them. I'll meet you in my next video. Do well to join this beautiful family if you never join. Okay, ciao.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.